Well, this is the right place to find business aviation in the Middle East. It's the strongest event, besides it happening in home. We know that in the portfolio events worldwide, this is the strongest event in the Middle East in business aviation, one of the biggest in the world. Again, it showed that it's growing steadily, and this is the best place for us to find vendors.
Well, MEBAA Show is a very important because it's a chance for us to meet the provider, the customers, all the stakeholders. We have a networking opportunity. We have a chance to showcase our services, our products.
The MEBAA is offering a very interesting venue because we have the proximity of the booth, the chalet and the airplane. It's very convenient, it's easy to access.
We met new clients, we made a new relationship with other companies that may collaborate together in the future.
You know, a show like MEBAA is always a very good opportunity to meet a lot of people, about customers, operators, brokers, OEMs. We need to have relations with all of those, and the possibility to meet all of them at the same place in a very short time is really beneficial to everybody, I think.
Well, like any company, you have to have a presence, a global presence, and certainly the Middle East for us is a great market opportunity for us, just with the amount of operators that are here and the amount of aircraft that are here. So us having a significant presence here locally and throughout the region is very important to the growth of our company, short term and long term overall.
Actually, Dubai in specific, it's the hub for not only the Middle East, but it is even it is in the between of Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. So actually, MEBAA, it was the very good chance for everyone to meet in one specific location where we can exchange our experience, to expand our network and get more and more closer to each other.
It's the place to be. So if you're in the business, you're at MEBAA.